Welcome to this tutorial on how to change tags in the Prep Tag Editor. Accurate tagging is essential for accessibility, enabling screen readers and other assistive technologies to interpret and present content correctly for users with disabilities. During the tagging process, incorrect tags may be assigned, resulting in accessibility issues and a poor user experience. Fortunately, modifying tags in the Prep Tag Editor is simple. To change a tag in Prep Tag Editor, first, click on the tag that needs to be changed. Then, open the Tag Type drop-down menu and choose the correct tag from the available options. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts to quickly change tags, improving efficiency and streamlining your workflow. That's it. By ensuring accurate tagging, you enhance document accessibility and create a better user experience for everyone. Thank you.